Welcome, I'm Chef Jacques Herringer of L'Auberge Chez Francois and Jacques' Brasserie to introduce you to our beautiful 6-acre setting. It's spring, the gardens are forming. It's just a beautiful day. Great to have you here. We are celebrating our 45th anniversary here in Great Falls. My parents started the restaurant in Washington, actually a block from the White House, in 1954. And we moved out to Great Falls in 1976. Papa's dream was always to have a country inn type of establishment. Since when he was an apprentice in France, he worked in a country inn, and it was always his dream and both of my parents' dream and mine, because I've been here also 45 years. Anyway, we've been here again celebrating our 45th anniversary, and our loyal patrons followed us out from Washington, and we've been busy ever since. We're blessed to be here and in Fairfax County, which has been so good to us, and just a joy. We're featuring classic French cuisines, provincial cuisine. We have an upstairs, more slightly formal dining area with a new patio and tent. And downstairs we have a brasserie, a more casual bistro-style restaurant, also with the French classics and a hamburger here and there. A beer garden and 6 beautiful acres where we can spread out, especially this time of year, and enjoy the beautiful setting. As well as the fine dining upstairs and the more casual dining in the brasserie, we are hosting many, many events. We have cooking demonstrations, wine dinners, tasting dinners. We're having a group today at lunch, and the group business is certainly taking off even more than it ever has. Weddings, anniversaries, bar mitzvahs, and now with our new area here, we can make an even larger tent to accommodate some big parties. So we're really looking forward to all of those new pivot after this year, pivoting to new opportunities to use our property, our 6 acres, to bring groups together. I mean, everything in life is celebrated with food, from births to funerals, and we want to be part of that celebration with you. I want to encourage everyone and invite everyone to come and celebrate with us. Celebrate our 45th anniversary, celebrate your birthdays, anniversaries, and time back together with your loved ones. Has been a very trying year, and I think people are ready to get back out and resume socializing, seeing their families and friends, and just enjoying themselves, relaxing, and that's what we're here to provide. Please come and see us.